Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your AliExpress coin and save some serious cash on your next purchase. Let's dive in. First thing first, let's talk about what AliExpress coins are. AliExpress coins are a special reward system on the app. Think of them like points that you earn from engaging with the platform. You can use this coin to get discount on your purchase, and the best part is they are completely free. First thing first, open up the AliExpress app on your phone, tap onto My Account option and then take a look at the coin section. Here you will be able to see how many coins you have collected and the total amount available for use. Alright, now the fun part is how to use the coin. Let's say you have found the perfect item on AliExpress, add it to your cart. Now we will go to our cart option, then proceed to checkout. When you are at the payment screen, you will see an option that says use coin. For some reason, I don't have enough coins, but follow my voice instructions. Simply toggle the option on and you will be able to apply your coin towards, and there you have it. AliExpress coins are an easy and fun way to save money while shopping online. Just remember to check in daily. Keep an eye on promotions and always apply your coin at checkouts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.